Hello there, and welcome back to Keminggris. In this lesson, we're going to talk about Pythagorean theorem. What? Really? I beg your pardon? What food is that?
Anak Pitagoras, Pak.
Well, the Pythagorean theorem is a term or principle in geometry that describes the relationships among three sides of a triangle. It says that in the right triangle, c squared equals a squared plus b squared. Aha, okay. But why is it called Pythagorean theorem? Well, a theorem in the context of mathematics is a statement that has been proven to be true through rigorous mathematical proof. And this Greek mathematician, Pitagoras, has done it. So, Pythagorean theorem is named after him for his discovery, of course. Not just because he's got a fancy name. Just so you know, he lived around 500 for century. So, if you ask me how does he look like, I think he looks like human, more or less. Not Pitagoras, whatever. Right, like I mentioned earlier, this theorem is expressed as a squared plus b squared equals c squared. A and B are the length of the triangles, the triangle's leg, and the C is the length of the hypotenuse. So this is called hypotenuse, and these legs are called base and height, right? And this is the right triangle. Look at this little cute symbol over there. It's like a small chair, right? There are more types of triangles in this universe, and we'll talk more about triangles later at the end of this video. We don't want to talk about Pythagoras' life because details about him remained uncertain, and because I can't find his social media account anyway. Well, if you could, if I could, I would definitely follow him. So, don't worry. Yeah. Oh, where were we? Oh, God. What am I doing? We've gone too far. Sorry about that. My bad. Okay. So, yeah. It actually describes the geometric relationships among these three sides. Now, you give me 3 and 4 centimeters, right? But you don't give me the value of hypotenuse because you think I don't need that, and you probably think I don't know the value of this hypotenuse, don't you? I know I'm not that smart, but I'm genius because I'm one of the followers of Pythagoras. I had a note from this guy, so I can simply give a value here in a blink of an eye, like this. Boom! 3 squared plus 4 squared equals question squared. 9 plus 16 equals 25. Remember this guy? Remember this guy, 25, is a squared version of C. What? So let's calculate it mathematically using square root. The square root of 25 is 5 because 5 squared is 25. Okay. Ya, kembali iya makanya kalau ada yang sulit jangan dipermudah, dipergampang saja. What about the different value? Now, right, let's give it a whirl. I'm going to give you 8 and 6 and 1 question mark. It's your job now. What is a square root of 28? If you calculate it calculatorily, I mean using calculator, will it give you 5.29 when rounded to decimal places? But I'm happy with just 5.3. Easy. And we're allowed to write 2 times the square root of 7. So this is 2 times square root of 7. This is also the legal method. We call it as a prime factorization. And I'll explain it later in a different video about prime factorization. Now, look at this. Just quick overview. 28 is the product of 4 and 7. This is actually, take the 4 out, the square root of 4 is 2. Okay, done. Plus, what? Oh, hang on. Like I promised you in the beginning of this video, let's explore various types of triangles in this universe. There are around 6 types of triangles, and I'll give you the 3 main triangles that are commonly used in mathematical operations. Number 1 is right angle triangle. I'll simply call it as a right triangle, and this is the guy that we are talking about. And number 2 is acute triangle, meaning all the sides are less than 90 degrees. Number 3 is obtuse, meaning one angle is obtuse, like a tree in the desert. No, that's cactus. What is obtuse? Obtuse means one side is greater than 90 degrees. You know what I mean? Look at this, 100. This is called obtuse. Remember, all this side totaling 180 degrees. So I'd say this one is 45 degrees. This one's 45 degrees. This one's 90 degrees. What? Right angle, acute, obtuse.